Kalau saya di Langkawi.
Hello everyone, I'm at St. Regis Hotel in Langkawi, Malaysia. I've just checked in room 118. And a little spoil for myself. I have booked to upgrade to a private pool suite. So we'll show you the room tour because it's amazing. Okay, so when I just walk in, you see I'm welcomed by a beach bag and the beach hats. So all the way a resort feel. Okay, then on this side is the minibar. Of course, the wine and other things have to be paid for, but they got complimentary Nespresso machine for coffees and teas, and also a kettle for hot water. So I didn't open this yet. Okay, just a cabinet and some stoneware, some glasses, some mugs and cups. Okay, so back, that's the entrance. And now this is the living room. Okay, so they got a nice painting on Langkawi about some years ago. And this is the living room area. And St. Regis got the butler service. So according to my butler, when I check in, I will get like 6 free coffee or tea each day, and then 3 or 4 pieces of free pressing, but not laundry. But anyway, and then as the Bonvoy Platinum member, got to have the complimentary use of the Langkawi Airport Lounge, which I'm going to record it because everyone's telling me that is excellent. And then the welcome gift to choose 1,000 points. My room rate already include breakfast, so I can pick between 1,000 points and 2 cocktails, in which I picked the 2 cocktails to show you the experience. And then also with the purchase of 60-minute massage, I get additional complimentary 15 minutes. And then for this St. Regis, they give me the butler card, which I can WhatsApp them or call them whenever I want. And then this is the welcome as well, which is very Malaysian with the pendant Gaya spread and the crackers. Okay, so let's move. Still got a working area, and then when open this up, this is the all-day dining menu according to my butler when I walk in. And then some stationery. It's a little bit, like not very perfect, but it's the leather and the wood and the whole look and feel that is very St. Regis, and the brass kind of the color. Shadow my eye. Okay, and they also, it's very typical now to get the cocktail card that you can mix your own cocktail, of course with a fee, but at least it's available. Okay, so here you can see the direct access, not from here, but from the bedroom, of my private pool with jacuzzi. So I'm going to go out and show you the excitement. Okay, so let me finish the room tour first. This is the bedroom. Again, you know, you can see from the decor and, you know, the lamp that they're using is very, very St. Regis. Okay, I'm going to save the best for the last. Now going into the bathroom. So of course they get the bathtub. And then the rain shower. And I'm just checking the amenities kit. Yep, here you go. This is the amenities kit. So the double vanity set. I'm checking out the hair dryer. Feels like just a normal, typical air dryer, which is fine. And then this is the area for luggage. What I'm looking is I cannot find a bathrobe, which surprised me. But anyway, they got the room slipper, but I just asked it to match the sandal. So if I need it, I need to purchase it. And then the Tower Beach, which is to be used at my own pool. Like, I'm really surprised that they don't have the bathroom. But they do have a big safe deposit box, which you can even put your computer in, which is nice. Okay, am I missing anything? Okay, I hope, oh, that is a, sorry, stupid design, because the door only opened that way and not this way, but then you have to sneak in because the, like this to get in. So I think there's some fault in the design of this toilet. But anyway, I'm still amazed with everything else. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the best part here. Is my private pool. So when I walk out, you know, that is the day bed and sitting area. It is quite hot, but you'll be amazed. So this is my private pool with jacuzzi. So they say just press the silver button. There you go. So I'm definitely going to be here in the next hour or so. Okay. So the resting chair. So I'm walking, so you get a sense how big this pool is. So it's not a plunge pool. It's a really good size private pool. Consider it's inside my room. And then some real day bath out there. It's a canopy. And then the interesting thing is I can actually have direct access to the pool from here. Not the pool, but the beach from here. So that is the door of my room. So I can get off from here and have direct access. And have direct access to the beach. And that's the restaurant that I'm going to have dinner tonight. Wow, such a treat. But I did work hard. Okay, so going back to my pool suite. I'm closing it. Okay. So bye now. I'm going to go into the pool. See you. Great. Thank you. Instead of taking a buggy, I'm walking over to the restaurant. Today the weather is not perfect. Normally you can see sunset here, but still it's very sad and very peaceful. So I'm happy to be here. So here I am at St. Regis Hotel in Langkawi, and I'm at the overwater fine dining restaurant, Kayuputi, one of the best top 50 restaurants in Malaysia. So it's wonderful. I got a window table, but today the weather is not at its best, so I did not get to see a nice sunset, but that's all right. I'm sure I will enjoy the food and the decor and everything here.
Try a bit for
Sure.
us. This one. Thank you.
It's good.
Sourced locally with grilled seafoam on the base of the Thai dressing. Next to there we have pickled mushrooms as well with arrow chips and with the sea grapes. And then in the middle we have the green curry musseline with the spirulina powder for a bit of color.
Great. Thank you.
Globe artichoke and winter truffle soup.
Right.
The artichokes are in here, and also there's some blended in.
Okay.
On top of that, I had a buckwheat roll, and next I have the brioche topped with black truffle and mimolette cheese.
Right. Thank you.
So the risotto is asam pork and tomato coulis. In the middle we have the ananas maple,
Yep.
and then the French octopus together with blueberry shrimps. Please enjoy. Thank you.
Broccolini with tomato jam and Mizuno relish with the soul. with a bit of beetroot and hazelnut puree on the side as well.
Perfect. Thank you.
And the bones of the lower sole.
Oh, okay. So it's like a soup or?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
It's sweeter and more fragrant than the usual type plus the harumanis. So what we have over here is the mango mousse with
Mango
the
mousse.
dried, with the
Yep.
dried mango in it.
Yep.
So inside we have the coconut jelly and chendol. With that we have the coconut cream, a bit of fundamental sponge.
Yep,
And we have mango rose ice cream topped with the mango pearls as well.
lovely.
And for that,
Thank
we have the
you.
black sticky rice sauce.
Yep. That's great. Thank you. So I called the butler and asked for the chamomile tea after dinner, and then they bring it within a few minutes with some cookie as well. So that's awesome. That's what I enjoyed most in most of the St. Regis in the world is the butler service.